June 2017, new money laundering regulations came into force. In this video, we'll show you how this affects you. As a regulated firm, you must have anti-money laundering policies and procedures in place to protect you, your firm, and your staff. Failure to comply with money laundering and terrorist regulations can impose both criminal and civil liability on your firm, its MLRO, and members of the senior management team. We can help you to comply. The new regulations will have implications for the legal, accounting, estate agents, gambling operators and financial services, and any firms engaging in financial activity with a turnover of over £100,000. The legal obligations are designed to reduce the social and economic impact of organised crime and impede transfer of money to support funding for terrorist organisations in the UK and around the globe. There are three principal money laundering offences: criminal offences such as engaging in money laundering or assisting others, failing to report money laundering, or tipping off. As a regulated company, you now have several legal obligations. You must undertake risk assessments on all your clients, due diligence checks, and know your client checks. You should carry out investigatory consultations and profile your potential client before you meet them to assess any risk, to identify if there are any politically exposed persons or sanctioned entities involved. You should have a routine checklist or case management flow and carry out rigorous file reviews. Does your firm have adequate processes and controls to monitor existing clients? You must ensure you conduct an ongoing monitoring of a business relationship on a risk-sensitive and appropriate basis. You must scrutinise transactions undertaken throughout the course of your client relationship and carry out continuous reassessments regarding client ownership and control structures. The regulations require you to have a nominated officer and a money laundering reporting officer, MLRO, and, as well as assessing your clients, you must also run screening on your employees and all your suppliers. You must carry out an independent audit and, if you're a trust, keep an accurate register of all beneficial owners of trusts. You must also conduct ongoing monitoring for any change in the client profile, such as ownership and control. You must have adequate systems and controls in place, and you must report any suspicious activity. Do you have adequate policies, procedures and controls to detect if there's any suspicious activity? And if you do, can you be sure that you're not prejudicing any inquiry by tipping off or being seen to be whistleblowing? You must remember you are personally responsible to report any suspicious activity. Here are some examples of the latest fines that have been imposed by certain industry regulators. We can help you conform to the regulations. We can offer reviews on your current policies, help with customer due diligence, and create bespoke procedural manuals. We can also conduct independent file reviews and design and deliver bespoke training packages for your staff, either face-to-face or online. Contact us today to find out more about how we can help you.